Introducing the Xiaomi POCO F5 Pro, hailed as the pinnacle of mid-range smartphones in 2024. For those prioritizing a quality without hefty price tag, the POCO F5 Pro emerged as an outstanding choice. Its standout feature in the robust performance delivers and Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset adept at smoothly running wide range of apps. This makes the POCO F5 Pro not just a phone but a versatile device, perfect for gaming enthusiasts and those into the wide world of video editing at high resolution. The viewing experience is second to the none on its 6.67-inch AMOLED display, boasting a Quad HD Plus resolution of 3200 x 1440 pixel that rivals the clarity found in the more premium models. Coupled with a 120Hz refresh rate, this phone promises crisp and vibrant visuals, enhancing your gaming and multimedia consumption. Storage options are ample with configuration available in either 8 or 12 gigs of RAM or a choice between 250 gigs or 512 gigs of internal storage. The device features a versatile triple camera system on the rear, including a wide angle and a macro sensor ready to capture varied movements and precision. Battery life is impressive with a 5160 mAh capacity, ensuring you stay powered throughout the day on a single charge. When power runs low, the fast charging capability of 67 watts gets the back to 50% in just 15 minutes. Beyond its core functionalities, the POCO F5 Pro supports Wi-Fi 6 and 5G for blazing fast internet speeds. It also comes with the IP53 certification, offering added durability against dust and water splashes, making it a resilient companion in every environment. Just a quick note, if you are interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below links to get to the best deals available right now. So make sure to check out those for the most current prices and offers.